What up peeps, I'm Paul, I am an illustrator and concept artist, and today we are going to make a fan art of Smaug, the dragon from The Hobbit. At the beginning of making this fan art, I wasn't quite sure about the post that I wanted to make. So I tried a couple, I think, well, not a couple, like 3 or 4 different poses. And yeah, you're gonna see it there. You can leave the comments which pose do you like most. And that's something that I always like to do on my work. I always try to test around a couple of different poses for the character that I make in the fan art, just to see which is the best angle and stuff like that. So you're gonna see it there. I decided to stick with this one since I think the profile and the silhouette of the sketch looks better than the others. I think it's more, I don't know if it's dynamic, but it compels more the personality of the character. In the color part, I always choose a dark I think, yeah, neutral color, and from that build up the other colors. Of course, the next one is the color that comes from the bottom of the dragon, is a more lighter color, and in Smaug is applies the same technique. The lighting, I think, is key to set the mood, and in this fan art, I want to show that he is living inside a cave, and that's why the lighting is going to be very dark. You're gonna see it right now. I'm working at the moment in the ring lights, which are blue, and that helps me a lot to show a little bit of volume on my work. Alright guys, this is the final results. I hope you will like it. I really enjoyed working on this one, and of course showing to you guys my process.
and I'm sorry that the comments are very clumsy at the moment. I promise I will step it up and make it better. Of course, please leave a comment. What do you want to see? I'm planning to do a couple of more of these to finish the other three fan arts left that I need to do, and I have another 2 ideas to make new content on my channel. But if you have any suggestion, please leave a comment and please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And that's it, my dudes. Bye bye. Love you all.